Hey everybody, from Unlimited, we want to give you thanks for all of your support, especially during the last days of the campaign.
We're super excited to get the kits to you, and we're working round the clock to do that.
We're now pushing all of our suppliers to get the product as soon as possible. We're sending out the surveys this week, again to everybody, so that we get a fresh response, and we're adding a few questions that we missed in the last surveys. Please make sure to look through it this week and give us a response before the end of the week so that you don't delay the delivery of your perk. A really big part of the survey is to make sure that the motor fits your bike. If it's a front motor, that's really easy. We only have one version of those. But if you have a rear motor, there's two versions depending on the type of drivetrain that you have. So please make sure that you double check to see if you have a thread-on freewheel or a splined cassette. They look really similar from the outside, but really they are very different on how they install. Usually, but not really exhaustively, a thread-on freewheel is for lower gear numbers, so usually lower than 7 gears, you'll have a thread-on freewheel, but you still should double check. But if you have more than 7 gears, that usually means you have a cassette. Besides that, please help us responding to the survey as quickly as possible so that we can get everything ready for the November delivery date. Once again, we're really excited. We really want to thank you for all of your support. Please continue telling your friends and your family about the Unlimited e-bike conversion kit, and we'll see you out on the trails.